to use Venmo crypto to buy Bitcoin without big fees. So first thing first guys, since I can't access the Venmo app or website in my region, I'll be using screenshots and official information from Venmo to walk you through the process. Now to use Venmo crypto to buy Bitcoin without big fees, what you have to do is first understand the Venmo crypto fees. Venmo structures its direct crypto purchase fees on a sliding scale based on dollar tiers. Now for $1 to $74.99, the fee is 2.20%. For $75 to $200, the fee is 2%. For $200 to $1,000, the fee is 1.80%. Now over $1,000, the fee is 1.50%. Now to buy Bitcoin on Venmo, what you have to do is open the Venmo app on your device, then tap login at the bottom left, then log into your account. Once logged in, select crypto at the bottom left of your screen, then select Bitcoin from the list of the supported assets. Then tap buy and input your desired purchase amount. Then choose your funding source as your Venmo balance or a linked bank account to avoid extra processing or card fees. Then review the final order breakdown including the spread and transaction fee, then confirm. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.